Are you looking to succeed in Forex trading as a beginner? The Forex market is fast, exciting, and can be very rewarding, but only if you know what you're doing. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to start trading successfully and avoid common pitfalls that new traders often face. First things first, learn the basics. Forex trading is more than just buying and selling currencies. You need to know how currency pairs work, what pips and spreads are, and how leverage can either boost your profits or magnify your losses. Take time to study how the market operates and what drives currency movements. Education is your greatest asset when starting out. Now, let's talk about choosing the right broker. Not all brokers are created equal. Look for brokers that are regulated by reputable financial authorities. Check for low spreads and fees. That way, you can keep more of your profits. And most importantly, practice on a demo account before risking any real money. This will help you get comfortable with trading without the pressure of losing real cash. Next, you need a trading plan. A good trader never goes in blind. Define your goals, whether you're aiming for short-term gains or long-term growth. Set clear risk limits. How much are you willing to lose on each trade? Without a solid plan, emotions can take over, and that's where things can go wrong. Stick to your strategy and don't let fear or greed push you off course. Here's a key lesson. Risk management is everything in Forex. Always use stop loss orders to protect your capital. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading account on a single trade. This way, you're not wiped out by one bad move. Remember, Forex isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Protecting your capital is just as important as making a profit. Now, discipline is what separates successful traders from those who struggle. Don't trade based on emotions. Stick to your plan, no matter how tempting it might be to chase after quick gains. You don't need to win every trade. You just need to manage your losses and let your winning trades grow. Be consistent, and over time, you'll see your results improve. To succeed in Forex, you need to stay informed. Markets are constantly moving, and global events can shake things up in an instant. Follow financial news, stay on top of central bank announcements, and use an economic calendar to track important events that can influence currency prices. The more informed you are, the better prepared you'll be to make smart trading decisions. Here's what to avoid: overtrading, over-leveraging, and emotional trading. It's easy to fall into the trap of trading too often or using too much leverage, hoping for a big win. But these are quick ways to lose more than you can afford. Stick to your risk management rules and never let emotions dictate your moves. Lastly, always keep learning. Forex trading is a journey, not a destination. Each trade, whether it's a win or a loss, is an opportunity to learn something new. Keep a trading journal, review your trades, and adjust your strategy as needed. The best traders are the ones who are constantly improving and adapting to the market. So, how do you succeed in Forex as a beginner? Start by learning the basics, choosing a reliable broker, creating a solid trading plan, managing your risk, staying disciplined, and always staying informed. Success doesn't come overnight, but with the right approach, you can make steady progress and achieve your trading goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Good luck with your trading journey, and remember, stay disciplined, stay informed, and stay focused.